Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Box Sync desktop client easy tutorial step by step clearly. To disable Box Sync desktop client, start by for Windows users, find the Box Sync icon in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen. Right-click on the Box Sync icon. From the menu that appears, select Pause Syncing. This will temporarily stop the application from syncing your files. If you want to completely disable Box Sync, open the application by double-clicking its icon on your desktop or within the Start menu. Once Box Sync is open, click on your profile picture or initials in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. In the Preferences window, navigate to the General tab. Look for the option that says Disable Box Sync. Check that box to disable the application completely. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure Box Sync is turned off. For Mac users, locate the Box Sync icon in the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on the Box Sync icon to reveal the menu options. Select Pause Syncing to temporarily stop the sync process. For a complete shutdown, click on your profile name in the menu. Select Preferences from the options that appear. In the Preferences window, go to the General tab. Then, find the Disable Box Sync option and check it. A confirmation prompt will appear, confirm to disable Box Sync fully. After completing these steps, Box Sync will no longer sync your files. You can always reactivate it later by following the same steps and unchecking the Disable option. And that's it, you have successfully disabled the Box Sync desktop client. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.